at the market. Check out all of the amazing vendors, Style and Dress. They do leggings and t-shirts, beachside farms and apiaries. They sell honey and honey products and daisy trees. So please support those vendors here this weekend. So please support them. Thank you for your attention. Now the teams are proceeding, making their way down to the third line for race number 2. In lane 1 will be People, the Manitoba Gators, and lane 2 the green boat, Paramount Paper Dragon Slayer. In lane 3 in the red boat, Aluminum. Those are the teams making their way to the third line for race number 2.
We can't hear you, baby.
Yes, I think. Yes, I got it. Oh, can you what? How can you put it back?
Oh, it's Bob. Yeah, we're gonna restart. Yeah, they're doing really good, aren't they? Are you counting? How many people are in the boat?
If you're synchronized, you don't have to put in a lot of pressure.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my God!
So we have in lane 1, People will be trained the dragon. Lane 2, the green boat, Paramount Paper Dragon Slayer. And lane 3, the red boat will be Hardcore Aluminum. Those are the teams in race number 1. Roger Daniel, who's a volunteer for his services to photograph filming of our races today, and he's doing that actually for free because it has been going to charity. So again, a big thank you to Roger. Let's give him a big round of applause. See the boats coming, and it seems that from my vantage point, we have a close race coming down the course. It seems I would presume that right now in the lead is Train the Dragon, followed closely by Paramount Paper Dragon Slayer and Hardcore Alumicore. But it is a close race right now. These boats are Dragon Head to Dragon Head. Right now who's in the lead. In lane 1 in the blue boat is Train the Dragon. Lane 2 in the green boat, Paramount Paper Dragon Slayer and Hardcore Alumicore. And lane 3 in the red boat. But it seems to me right now their adventure followed by the green boat, Paramount Paper Dragon Slayer and Train the Dragon. And Hardcore Alumicore in the lead. By Paramount Paper Dragon Slayer and Train the Dragon. Hardcore a big round of applause. Lake Forest team in race number 1. Time of 2:24:47. Hardcore Alumicore. Those are the results to race number 1.
That
Yeah.
means they beat
Yeah.
their full parlor. No, actually, they're getting really good.
Yeah. Oh, there they go.
This is the Jonas Brothers playing the songs you voted for during the weekend countdown. Number 34. I'll fight. I'll fight for you.
They're nice and light.
Oh, there's some green ones.
Yeah, for my voting. Are you guys paddling now?
Hello, everybody. Dangerous Dave here, Dragon Boat Dave. Just want to acknowledge a couple of paddlers who have been longtime supporters, and they're with Layaway, Team Layaway, and would love to be paddling today, but unfortunately can't, but are supporting us anyway. And Jim Ryan and Jim Salinger. So we give them a little round of applause, and just want to wish them well. So thank you very much. And I hope everybody's having a great time. You guys are making a wonderful festival, and you're making a great day. So thank you very much for your support. Bye for now.
start to the sprint 200-meter final. Lane 1 in the blue boat, Lay Awake. Lane 2 in the green boat, November Project. Lane 3 in the red boat, Bothwell Curzon Waves. Lane 4 in the yellow boat, Dirty Oars. Lane 5, blue 2, KGS Group. And lane 6 in the green 2, Standard Arrow Aviat Oars. And lane 7, Hardcore Alumacor. And lane 8, Holds Before Bros. In the lead right now is Bothwell Curzon Waves. It is Bothwell Curzon Waves in first place. So let's have a big round of applause, make noise for the teams in the sprint 200-meter final. So next race is race number 12. In race number 12 we have in lane 1 in the blue boat will be Train the Dragon. Lane 2 in the green boat, Globe Generals. Lane 3 in the red boat, Take It Away Ecom. And lane 4 in the yellow boat, KGS Group. And the following teams
Yeah.
Look, they're going together now.
So the following teams, just for race number 13, following teams should proceed to the marshalling area now. Hardcore Alumacor, Grace Dragons, Blue Bayou, and Standard Arrow Aviat Oars. Again, the following teams are on deck for race number 13.
Wait, Daddy's racing again?
Hardcore Alumacor, Grace Dragons, Blue Bayou, and Standard Arrow Aviat Oars.
Ayun na yung ano nila, yung bata. Di ba kanina yung hindi naman bata? Ayun ba? Yung pa rin ba? Yung bata? Yeah. Ay, yung ba rin?
Take it away! I don't think they're getting it.
Yung huli yata ang maglalaban-laban. Si hindi ba nandiyan?
Hindi yata. Wala yata.
Na sila. Not bad sila kahit pa paano eh. Actually dapat sabay-sabay.
Hindi, pupunta pa lang kasi doon.
Pupunta pa lang, hindi pa race yan.
Then doon sila
Doon,
magpaano.
yung nakita mo yun,
line up.
yung pinaka-final. JJ, baka mahulog, JJ.
And we have a close race coming down the course right now. In lane 1 in the blue boat, Hardcore Alumacor, Grace Dragons in lane 2 in the green boat. Lane 3, Blue Bayou in the red boat. And Standard Arrow Aviat Oars in the yellow boat in lane 4. And right now, in the lead from my vantage point, it is Hardcore Alumacor and Standard Arrow Aviat Oars are close together and followed by Grace Dragons and Blue Bayou. And in the lead right now, it seems it is
this one.
Standard Arrow Aviat Oars, followed by Hardcore Alumacor
Wala sa kanila.
and Grace Dragons and Blue Bayou. But in the lead, for first right now, it is Standard Arrow Aviat Oars. Second, Hardcore Alumacor.
Second.
And it is between Grace Dragons and Blue Bayou for third and fourth place. Let's have a big round of applause for the team in race number 13.
Not bad, not bad.
The ones that got first place are like young.
Not bad, second place.
We love you, Lina!
And we have results for race number 13. Fourth place goes to Grace Dragons with a time of
Kumakaway si Papa.
2:24.26.
Kinakabayan ka.
Third place goes to Blue Bayou with a time of 2:24.05. Second, Hardcore Alumicore with a time of 2:17.48. And first place, Standard Aero Aviat Oars at a time of 2:08.46. Those are the results for the race number 13. Could I have your attention, please? We have a special first three in the junior broad jump. She was also part of the winning 400-meter junior relay team. Vince Lee described her as a Calvin High School grad who could run like the wind in an article from the 1978 Winnipeg Tribune.